The governments of Laos and Vietnam have officially launched a cross-country transaction service and a cross-border payment system utilizing QR code technology to enhance economic ties between the two nations. The announcement was made during the 47th meeting of the Laos-Vietnam Intergovernmental Committee held in Vientiane on January 9, 2025. Lao Prime Minister Dr. Sonsai Siphandon and Vietnamese Prime Minister Pham Minh Chinh, along with senior government officials from both countries, were present to witness the significant collaboration. This initiative aligns with the objectives of both governments to strengthen financial cooperation and reduce reliance on foreign currencies. The central banks of the two countries, namely the Bank of the Lao People's Democratic Republic, or BOL, and the State Bank of Vietnam, will work together to enable transactions in their respective local currencies, Lao Kip and Vietnamese Dong, within the cross-border payment framework. This development will facilitate easier financial transactions for businesses and travelers, while reducing demand for foreign currencies, thereby easing pressure on foreign currency reserves. In its initial phase, Vietnamese users will be able to make QR code-based payments while in Laos. The second phase, expected to launch by the end of 2025, will allow Laos citizens to utilize the QR code payment platform in Vietnam. This connectivity is part of a broader strategy by the Lao government to enhance money transfer and payment systems with neighboring countries, including Thailand and Cambodia. Last month, Laos and China also introduced a QR code payment mechanism aimed at enabling cashless transactions for tourists. This follows a similar initiative with Thailand launched in April 2024, which supports trade and tourism activities. Furthermore, the Laos and Cambodia initiated a cross-border payment system in 2023 that allows travelers to conduct transactions using their local currencies. Trade between Vietnam and Laos reached new heights in 2024, with total trade turnover increasing to $2.2 billion, marking a nearly 34% rise year-on-year. Both governments are committed to adopting practical measures to deepen their political and diplomatic relations while enhancing defense, security, and economic cooperation. To further strengthen educational ties, the Vietnamese government has pledged to provide 1,160 scholarships for Lao officials and students to study in Vietnam, as well as send teachers to Laos to teach the Vietnamese language. The governors of both countries' central banks have vowed to collaborate closely on this initiative and oversee its widespread implementation.